Are you ready for dinner? Tonight, we are going to try a Tex-Mex mac and cheese wet recipe that I have found on My Fridge Food. My Fridge Food tells you tell it what ingredients you have, and it will give you recipes. So, what we're going to need is 1 pound ground beef, a package of taco seasoning. I don't have that, so I'll be making my own taco sauce. And 1 package of mac and cheese. Now, the mac and cheese, we're going to need milk and butter for. We are going to need 6 cups of water, 4 tablespoons of margarine, and 1/4 cup of milk for this. Remember, when browning ground beef, you want to sit it for 5 minutes without touching it. Then when it's done, with 5 minutes, you flip it over, you season it, and then you set it for another 3 to 5 minutes to finish cooking. After your taco meat is done being browned and drained, this is where we will add our taco seasoning and the water needed. Once you add the taco seasoning and the water, you'll let it simmer for about 10 minutes or until the liquid is absorbed. Then you'll set it aside and get the macaroni going. The macaroni is very simple to make. We're just going to follow the directions on here. We'll bring 6 cups of water to a boil in a medium saucepan. We will let the macaroni cook for 7 to 8 minutes or until tender, stirring occasionally, and then we will drain it. Do not rinse this, and make sure that it stays warm. We'll add 4 tablespoons of margarine or butter and 1/4 cup of milk when it's finished. Once you pour the milk, the butter, and the cheese together, we'll mix it up real fast so we get all the gooiness in there. Once you have your mac and cheese set to your consistency, we are going to grab our taco meat here and we are going to combine the two. Once again, this is what the Tex-Mex mac and cheese will be looking like when you're finished. I hope you enjoyed. If you would like to like and subscribe to the video, it does help a lot. I very much appreciate it. I hope you have a great night and good eating.